To auto set always on display of the theater mode to show when tap in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap theater, tap change setting and then tap always on display. Under display mode section, select tap to show, tap done button and then tap done button again to save the change. By doing this, now when the theater mode is active, your phone will enable always on display and use tap to show as its display mode, which means the always on display will only show clock and notification when you tap the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.